It's a river. Bit of a landslide. Oh well. Why not? Here I come. Good test for how good my tyres are.